Welcome to Your Health, a channel dedicated to providing essential information to help you take care of your health and well-being. Here, you'll find topics on nutrition, vitamins, and tips for leading a healthier lifestyle. Our focus is to help you make informed choices, from the importance of vitamins like B12 to practical tips for a more balanced life. If you're looking to improve your mental and physical health, or just learn more about keeping your body in peak condition, you're in the right place. Join our To Your Health community and subscribe so you don't miss any of our valuable content. Take care of your health and live life to the fullest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
The secret to youthful vitality lies in collagen. It is the protein that holds our bodies together. Collagen is vital for healthy skin, hair, nails, bones, and joints. Several lifestyle factors can deplete our collagen levels, leading to visible signs of aging. By understanding these factors, we can protect our collagen. This essay will explore how to safeguard your collagen and delve into practical tips for preserving a youthful appearance. Let us begin our journey to unlock the secrets of youthful vitality. Collagen, the building block of youthful skin and strong bones, is constantly under attack from various internal and external factors. These factors break down collagen fibers, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, stiff joints, and weaker bones. Understanding these culprits is the first step toward protecting your collagen. One of the major culprits is ultraviolet UV radiation from the sun. UV rays penetrate deep into the skin and damage the collagen structure, leading to premature aging, wrinkles, and age spots. Another factor is hormonal imbalance. Hormones like estrogen play a vital role in collagen production. As we age, especially during menopause, estrogen levels decline, leading to decreased collagen synthesis and accelerated skin aging. Our diet also plays a crucial role in collagen health. A diet high in sugar, processed foods, and unhealthy fats can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress. These processes damage collagen fibers and hinder their production. While basking in the sun's warm embrace might seem enticing, excessive UV exposure can wreak havoc on your skin's collagen. Understanding UV radiation's effects is crucial for protecting your skin. UV radiation consists of UVA and UVB rays. UVA rays penetrate deeper, damaging collagen fibers. This leads to wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. UVB rays cause sunburns and contribute to premature aging. Protecting your skin preserves collagen and prevents aging. Hormones play a crucial role in maintaining the health and vitality of our skin. Estrogen is key in collagen production. Maintaining hormonal balance supports collagen synthesis. Estrogen stimulates fibroblasts to produce collagen and elastin. During menopause, estrogen levels decline, reducing collagen. Balancing hormones is crucial for youthful skin. Steps include a healthy diet, exercise, and stress management. Prioritizing hormonal harmony supports collagen and youthful skin. Nourishing your collagen, the building blocks of a collagen-boosting diet. The food we consume supports our body's collagen production. A diet rich in specific nutrients helps maintain youthful skin, strong bones, and healthy joints. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen formation. It ensures the proper structure and stability of collagen fibers. Citrus fruits, berries, kiwi, and bell peppers are excellent sources. Protein is essential as collagen itself is a protein. Lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, and tofu are great sources. Healthy fats and omega-3 fatty acids protect collagen from damage. Section 6. Oxidative stress, combating free radicals to preserve collagen integrity. Our bodies are constantly exposed to oxidative stress, an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage cells, including those responsible for collagen production. Protecting collagen from oxidative stress is crucial for maintaining its integrity and preventing premature aging. Free radicals are generated through various processes, including exposure to pollution, UV radiation, smoking, and even normal metabolic processes. These unstable molecules attack healthy cells, damaging their DNA and impairing their function. When it comes to collagen, free radicals can break down the collagen fibers, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, and joint pain. Antioxidants are compounds that neutralize free radicals, protecting cells from damage. Consuming a diet rich in antioxidants is crucial for combating oxidative stress. Colorful fruits and vegetables are packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, beta-carotene, and selenium. Section 7. Chronic inflammation, taming the flames that degrade collagen. Chronic inflammation, a persistent state of low-grade inflammation throughout the body, can significantly impact collagen health. This silent threat silently damages collagen fibers, contributing to premature aging and various health issues. Inflammation is a natural immune response to injury or infection. However, when it becomes chronic, it can damage healthy tissues, including collagen. Chronic inflammation triggers the release of enzymes called matrix metalloproteinases, or MMPs. MMPs break down collagen, leading to wrinkles, joint pain, and weakened cartilage. Several factors contribute to chronic inflammation, including poor diet, lack of exercise, stress, and underlying health conditions like autoimmune disorders. Reducing chronic inflammation is crucial for protecting collagen and maintaining overall health. Adopting a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods, regular exercise, stress management techniques, and adequate sleep can help tame the flames of inflammation. Section 8. Sleep and collagen, the surprising connection and its impact on your skin. While we sleep, our bodies work tirelessly to repair and rejuvenate, and collagen production is no exception. Sleep plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis, making it an essential pillar of youthful skin and overall health. During deep sleep, our bodies release growth hormone, which stimulates collagen production and cell regeneration. Adequate sleep allows our bodies to repair and rebuild collagen fibers that have been damaged throughout the day. When we consistently skimp on sleep, our bodies produce less growth hormone, leading to decreased collagen synthesis. This sleep deprivation can result in dull, tired-looking skin, increased wrinkles, and slower wound healing. Chronic sleep deprivation can also lead to increased cortisol levels, the stress hormone. Cortisol breaks down collagen, further exacerbating the negative effects of poor sleep on skin health. Section 9. Medications and collagen, navigating the potential effects of corticosteroids and NSAIDs. While medications play a crucial role in managing various health conditions, certain medications can potentially impact collagen production and breakdown, affecting skin health and joint health. Understanding these potential effects is essential for making informed decisions about medication use. Corticosteroids, a class of drugs used to reduce inflammation, can have both positive and negative effects on collagen. Short-term use of corticosteroids can stimulate collagen production, aiding in wound healing and reducing inflammation. However, prolonged use of corticosteroids can inhibit collagen synthesis, leading to skin thinning, easy bruising, and delayed wound healing. These medications can also weaken tendons and ligaments, increasing the risk of injury. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or NSAIDs, another class of medications commonly used to relieve pain and reduce inflammation, can also impact collagen. While NSAIDs do not directly break down collagen, they can inhibit its production and slow down the wound healing process. Section 10. Protecting your fountain of youth. Practical tips for boosting collagen naturally. Preserving and boosting collagen is key to maintaining a youthful appearance and ensuring the health of our skin, bones, and joints. Fortunately, there are numerous practical tips and lifestyle modifications we can incorporate into our daily routines to support collagen production naturally. One of the most effective ways to boost collagen is through our diet. Consuming a balanced diet rich in collagen-boosting nutrients is crucial. Include foods high in vitamin C such as citrus fruits, berries, and bell peppers to support collagen synthesis. Adequate protein intake is also essential as protein provides the amino acids necessary for collagen production. Include lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, and tofu in your diet. Protecting your skin from the damaging effects of the sun is paramount. UV radiation breaks down collagen fibers, leading to premature aging. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher daily, even on cloudy days. Section 11. The future of collagen. Embracing scientific advancements for enhanced collagen production. The field of collagen research is constantly evolving, with scientists making remarkable strides in understanding collagen's role in health and aging. These advancements have paved the way for innovative treatments and technologies aimed at boosting collagen production and restoring its youthful properties. One promising area of research is the development of topical collagen peptides, small fragments of collagen that can penetrate the skin's surface. These peptides stimulate collagen production, improve skin elasticity, and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Another exciting advancement is the use of microneedling, a minimally invasive procedure that creates tiny punctures in the skin. These micro-injuries stimulate the body's natural healing process, leading to increased collagen and elastin production. Furthermore, researchers are exploring the potential of stem cell therapy for collagen regeneration. Stem cells have the remarkable ability to differentiate into various cell types, including fibroblasts, the cells responsible for collagen production. If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications.
If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up. Share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when I upload a new video.